Hi, I'm Dr. Ruth Ann Lobos, and we're here at the National Dog Show with some of the top show dogs in the country. As one of hundreds of scientists on staff at Purina, I often get asked, how do I pick the right food for my dog? So I thought this was the perfect place to offer a few tips on how to pick the food to fuel the champion in your life. You should consider the age of your dog, as a dog's nutritional needs change as they get older. A growing puppy's needs vary from that of an adult dog, and the same is true for a senior dog. Most people don't realize that a dog is considered senior over the age of 7. Choosing a food that's formulated for your dog's specific breed size will help ensure that he's getting optimal levels of calories and nutrients every day. More active dogs typically require higher levels of protein and calories to maintain their healthy muscles and keep that active lifestyle, while more leisurely dogs typically require a more moderate level of protein and fat to maintain ideal body condition. But the good news is the experts at Purina Pro Plan have made it easy to find the food that's right for your dog's unique traits. Visit the My Plan tool and get our expert recommendation to fuel the champion in your life.